Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 19th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Comfort Systems USA. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Comfort Systems USA has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Comfort Systems USA reported a revenue of $2.65 billion for the fourth quarter of 2025, a significant increase from $1.87 billion in the same quarter last year. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This is a strong indicator of growth. The revenue increase is substantial, and it's accompanied by a net income of $330.8 million, which is more than double the $145.9 million from the previous year. The adjusted earnings per share also saw a remarkable rise to $9.37, far exceeding the analyst forecast of $6.77. This suggests that Comfort Systems USA is not only expanding its top line, but also improving its profitability significantly.
And what about their cash flow?
The operating cash flow for the quarter was $468.5 million, more than double the $210.5 million from the previous year. This indicates strong cash generation capabilities, which is crucial for sustaining growth and funding future projects.
Backlog and market demand. Comfort Systems USA's backlog has been a point of interest. Can you elaborate on the current status and its implications?
Absolutely. The backlog as of December 31st, 2025, stands at $11.94 billion, which is a significant increase from $5.99 billion at the end of 2024. This growth is driven by unprecedented demand and the company's strong reputation for delivering results. The same-store backlog alone increased by over $1 billion, marking the third consecutive quarter of such growth. This backlog essentially represents future revenue, indicating a robust pipeline of projects.
How does this backlog growth impact their future outlook?
With a backlog that has doubled since the beginning of the year, Comfort Systems USA is well-positioned to capitalize on future opportunities. It reflects strong market demand and provides a solid foundation for continued revenue growth in 2026.
CEO insights and strategic outlook. CEO Brian Lane had some insightful comments on the company's performance. What were the key highlights from his statements?
Brian Lane expressed gratitude for the team's performance, highlighting that their careful discipline and execution led to a quarterly EPS that doubled compared to last year. He also noted that both net income and cash flow surpassed $1 billion in 2025. Lane is optimistic about 2026, citing persistent demand and strong pipelines as key drivers for future growth.
What does this optimism mean for investors?
Lane's confidence suggests that Comfort Systems USA is on a solid growth trajectory. For investors, this means potential for continued strong financial performance and possibly attractive returns, given the company's ability to manage and capitalize on market demand effectively.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $6.77. How did Comfort Systems USA perform against this expectation?
The company significantly outperformed expectations with an adjusted EPS of $9.37 for the fourth quarter. This is a substantial beat, considering the forecast was based on estimates from 3 analysts. Such a performance indicates strong operational efficiency and effective cost management.
What might have contributed to this EPS beat?
The combination of increased revenue, improved margins, and strong cash flow likely played a crucial role. The company's ability to manage costs while expanding its revenue base has clearly paid off, resulting in this impressive EPS figure.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Comfort Systems USA has delivered a strong performance for the fourth quarter and full year 2025. With a revenue of $9 billion and net income exceeding $1 billion, the company is on a solid growth path. John, any final thoughts?
Comfort Systems USA has demonstrated robust financial health and strategic growth. The significant backlog and strong cash flow position them well for future success. Investors should keep an eye on their continued execution and market demand in 2026.
And thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Comfort Systems USA's performance in the comments below. Until next time.